Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway docks. Let's take a walk through the dock. Here we're looking at a lot of great looking salvia shipping out here. We have some coreopsis, I believe those are the grubs. In the background there, we're looking at Beckia leucanthemum, the Pravaskia, rudabeckia, more coreopsis. Great looking fall color. We're looking at some buddleia. This is part of the first editions. This is funky fuchsia. Grasses are looking fantastic. Here we have some 3-gallon morning lights. See the plumes and colors on the grasses. We have several varieties. Again, perfect time to get your grasses in there. Those are some pennisedums. Then we have some miscanthus. We have panicum grass. Here we're looking at some Carl Forsters. And again, coming back down, we got these beautiful 3-gallon Stewarts. One of these 3-gallon burning bush to show you the size, value. And you can see here they're getting that tinge of red color. Bowling ball is always a hit. You can see here we have some beautiful threes. Gorgeous leucanthemum. This is the Banana Queen 2. They're still loaded with bud and bloom. Again, you can see that the drift roses there. Those are drift reds loaded with flowers. There's a great Japanese bloodgrass here. Looking good. Got that beautiful color on the Dutsu Chardonnay pearls. See, we still have a lot of great color going in the fall here. We're looking at Hemerocallis. These are Stella d'Oro, Happy Returns. We're looking at some Heuchera. Those are Carmels. Beautiful Liriope. Both the green and the variegated right now. And the Achinolo, all those. And a lot of bud and bloom. These are Salvia May Night and Geranium Rosea. More great boxwood to look at there. We have our 5-gallon winter gems. And here we're coming down to, these are cool. These are 2-gallon through a whipcord. We have Itea, Henry's Garnet. You know, you can see that nice red fall color coming on these. These are gorgeous. Look at the size on these 5-gallon PJMs. That's an extra value. We're looking at our crop. These are 3-gallon. These are Ilex Galabra Strongbuck. The color and the variegated iris. We have some great looking, these are Granera Jack Frost coming out of the greenhouse here. Gorgeous color and size. Some pretty color in the 2-gallon. This is Spirea Candy Cane. A lot of great color in these 3-gallon fire cheese. 2-gen Freedoms. Man, this has been almost a consistent plant that we've seen on the dock all season long. Gorgeous full plants in 3 gallons. We got a great looking crop here. New gen. This one's been a hit for the last couple of weeks. This is a new Lagella called Midnight Sun. We pull one of these 7-gallon Taxus densiformis off the card here to show you. Nice size. And the fluff to that, good value on these. 7-gallon densiformis. Color in the Artemisia, that's Garden Ghost, I believe. And then here we're looking at Bud and Bloom on the Veronica. Those are Moody Blues. Looking at some Roost Grollos in 3 gallons. Those are great looking crop here. Seeing a lot of these go out now that landscaping's picked up. Great plant for commercial landscape. And then coming over here, I wanted to show you, these are cute. Here we're looking at Tater Tot. Looking at some of the carts here, we're looking at some of the Veronica. Those are Geranium Roseannes and a lot of these 3-gallon bucks of green velvet. A lot of grasses growing out here. We're looking at 3-gallon Carl Forster. Beautiful color on the 2-gallon Blue Stars. Wow, look at the exceptional size on these 3-gallon Performance. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon. These are Buxus Green Velvet. Coming down here, exceptional size and value on these 3-gallon Buxus Winter Gems. And I go up here just a little bit. I think you'll see in the background, those are 5-gallon Green Velvet. You can see a little bit of bud and bloom coming up on these 3-gallon. These are Syringa Dark Purple. Seem to be hot. Here we have our 2-gallon. These are little quick fire. Pulled one of these 2-gallon Mop Cypress off to show you. Nice color and value on these. Take advantage of these. These are as big as our 3s right now. Good price. 2-gallon Mop Cypress. Again, this week we're seeing a lot of the 3-gallon azaleas come in. Look at the size of these 3-gallon trays. Here, I'm going to show you another great juniper. Here we're looking at a 3-gallon Old Gold juniper. Uprights. These are a 3-gallon Blue Mountain. Some Physocarpus. These are Little Devil in first editions. And again, you see a lot of those Blue Stars going out. We have some spilled wines. Beautiful. Really nice heavy grade on these 7-gallon Blue Point junipers. One we haven't seen in a little bit on the dock. Here's our 10-gallon. These are red dragon, Japanese maple. A lot of Japanese maples going out here, and again, red buds. You know, if you're looking for red buds, we got a great selection right now. Upright junipers came in. Here we're looking at our 7-gallon columnar hats. Forget your barberry. Here we're looking at our worry-free crimson cutie, but we have all the varieties of barberry. They still got great color, nice landscape-sized plants. Be sure to check out our tree hydrangeas. We still got a great selection of tree hydrangeas, both 7s, 15s, and 25s. They're great size and value on these 3-gallon snowmount spirea. Well, we'll see a lot of these green giants coming in, both 7 and 15 gallons. Exceptional value. These just came in. Here we're looking at a whole crop of these 15-gallon. These are Prunus Jushinos coming in. Nice size and texture to these 15-gallon Dawn Redwoods. These just came in here. Here we have the 15-gallon. These are now raspberry spear. Gorgeous trees here. You can see here the guys are loading up some 45-gallon maples, a full load of container trees here, and they're looking fantastic. It's a quick walk through the dock. You know, the guys are busy getting things pushed up here, getting ready to load trucks this morning. Be sure to get with the sales team. Be the help loading the truck for you.